Hello and welcome to Google Data Studio course. Before I dive into what Google Data Studio is, I want you to understand the role of marketers and marketing analysts these days. Marketers are now more and more accountable for their efforts. They need to not only prove the value of their marketing efforts and show which efforts are working and which ones are not, but also understand and learn from all these marketing efforts. Understand what's working so that they can apply it to future campaigns, and understand what's not working so that they can make the changes and drive their organization forward. In order to do that, marketers or marketing analysts need to pull a lot of data and information together. There are so many marketing tools out there, and pulling data from them is very cumbersome. Google Analytics is one of the most widely used tools by marketers today. In addition to Google Analytics, the data that marketers need might be stored in several other data sources, such as Excel worksheets, databases, Google Worksheets, ad serving platforms, etc. So there is a lot of manual effort that goes into pulling all this data into one central location, where the marketing analyst can then present in one comprehensive dashboard, one comprehensive visualization. Google Data Studio is a data visualization tool that removes all these manual efforts and makes it very easy for marketers to pull all this data from various sources in one interface. Then all marketers have to do is create the desired visualization, which is also very easy in Google Data Studio. Most of the visualizations can be created by manually dragging and dropping the elements on a worksheet. Google Data Studio seamlessly connects with several of the Google products such as Google Analytics, Google Sheets, as well as databases such as MySQL. Google Data Studio also has a lot of third-party data connectors that allow you to connect to various other data sources that are not natively available in Google Data Studio. Many employers are now seeking Google Data Studio skills. Since they use Google Analytics and Google Data Studio is free, it makes it a highly desirable tool for organizations. By taking this course, you will not only learn a new skill, but also learn a skill that's high in demand, which will help with your current career as well as help in finding new opportunities. This course assumes that you have basic understanding of Google Analytics. If not, then I would request you to pause at this time and take a course that will help you get up to speed on Google Analytics. If you are ready, let's dive in.